Hi guys, it's Danielle with Bo Peeps Bonnets. Today I'm going to show you how to do the double wrap knit stitch. Sometimes you'll also see this called knit one, wrap twice. They're the same thing, and what this stitch does is it creates an elongated stitch, in other words a big loop, that you're often going to drop in the next round. So let's get right into it. Just knit the stitch as normal, but wrap it twice. And then take the stitch off just like you would a knit stitch. And you'll see you have two loops there. And that's really all there is to it. You've just done the double wrap knit stitch. Now let's do it again together. I'll try to go even slower. Okay, go as if to knit. Instead of just wrapping once, wrap twice. And slip both of them off. Well, that's all there is to it, my friends. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye.